So in this video, we assemble the front wheel of the Panache. We've already assembled or partly assembled the front mudguard. We'll be completing the assembly once the front wheel is done. But before we start assembling the front wheel, there's an important step to be done, which is with the front brakes. The brakes will not allow the wheel to go in, so we need to release the brakes. These are V brakes. What we need to do is press the two levers in and pull the wire out, and the brake is free. It is a very simple step but important. So basically just press both the black levers in and pull the wire out in a smooth motion. Once that is done, preferably put the cycle in the inverted position. This is the front wheel. We need to remove the protections which are provided on the sides and loosen the nuts on both sides. So on each side there is one nut and there are two washers. On this side as well there is one nut and two washers. We also need to remove the protection provided on the front end of the fork. Once that is removed, just insert the wheel and align it with the fork. Now a few important things need to be done. So once the wheel is completely inserted in, both the washers have to be on the outer side of the fork. Okay, so we have one washer which has a knob on the front end that goes into the slot which is provided in the fork here. So that goes in on the other side as well. So we have one washer with the knob that goes in, we have the second washer, and then we have the nut. Before we complete the assembly, take out both nuts on both sides. Take out one washer as well on both sides and insert the front mud guard, these connecting cables here. So the assembly is, you have the fork, you have the washer with the knob, then you have the front mud guard connector, then you have the second washer, and then finally the nut on top of it. Similarly on the other side, exact same sequence to be followed. Once this is done, all we need to do now is tighten the nuts with the spanner which is provided here. So tighten it to a degree where it is tight enough but there is no movement which is getting blocked. Obviously we have not removed the protective covering here, so it is rubbing against the brakes here, but once it is removed it will move smoothly. So once this wheel is tightened, we need to assemble the brakes back, which is, so again get the cycle in the straight position. So these are the V brakes. So what we need to do now is, this is the part which gets connected to the other side. So pull it in. Adjust the brakes, these are loose when we give it to you. So adjust the brakes so that they are aligned with the wheel rim, not with the tire. The brake shoe gets aligned with the rim over here, not here. So once this is done, just pull it in. Put the cable in first and ensure that it gets pulled out till the slot here. So I'll do it once again. So we have this cable, the protection, rubber protection goes here. We pull the other side we push the cable in first, just the wire. Then we put the entire thing in. And this part has to come out. You will not rest here. It has to go at least, there's about 5 centimeters inside. So this is designed to rest in this way only. So once you adjust it, it will automatically go in. Once this is done, we just tighten the brakes on both sides and the cycle is ready to go. Just be mindful that once you remove this coating on the tire, there are these manufacturing marks on the tire which are there on every tire. So for the first few days, these will rub against the mudguard. So there will be a crinking sound which will come, which is perfectly normal. As the tire wears out, these knobs will go away and the noise will go away. Also, when you start off, the brakes may not be completely aligned. Just make sure that it is not rubbing against the rim. But other than that, if it is not aligned, it is perfectly fine. Once you start using the brakes for a few times, the brakes automatically find their position and align themselves to the entire frame. So once this is done, your front wheel assembly is complete and the cycle is almost ready to go. The next step we see in the next video.